All right, people, Mr. Right here with lesson 35 for the trombone. In this lesson, we'll go over all the scales that we've covered so far, starting with the G scale. Now, the G scale doesn't have any flats, but it does have one sharp, and your B is going to be B natural. So you can play it one of two ways. G, A, you could play B natural with the trigger, second position and a half, then to your C in sixth position, or G, A, B natural out in seventh position up to sixth position. Just depends on if you have a trigger or not. So let's go over that scale. And then you got the F sharp, of course, in fifth position right before you hit the top note. Then your C scale, 6, 4, 2. That E natural is going to be in second position. There's no flats and sharps in the key of C. E natural, F, G, A, and then the B natural is in fourth position. So it's 6, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. Like that, 3. So. Then the F scale, which is 6, 4, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 1 in the lower register. Then you go up F, G, A natural in second position, B flat in first, C, D, high E natural in second position up to the F. Notice I played that arpeggio all in sixth position except for the second note of the arpeggio, the A natural in second. All right, moving on to the B flat scale. B flat, C, D, E flat in third position, F, G, A natural in second position to the B flat. Then your E flat scale, which is really the easiest scale of all because most all the positions are either in third position or first position except for one note, the G, that's in fourth. So it's 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. You go back and forth like this. Then your A flat scale, A flat, B, C, D flat in fifth position. And that fifth position is closer to sixth position than it is to fourth. So you go A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat in third position. Notice that arpeggio is 3, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3. And then you've got the chromatic scale that I like to break up into different sections. We'll do the low E natural in second and a half position with the trigger. We'll go the E natural, low E to F. Then we'll jump out to 5, 4, then 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. Actually, you do the B natural again. We do that same pattern twice in the low register. I'll demonstrate. That's your high F. Then you come back down. Okay? And then we've got the B flat Lydian scale, which is the same thing as a B flat scale, except we're going to raise the fourth scale degree. From instead of an E flat in third position, we're going to play an E natural in second position. Then we've got the G Dorian scale. Now you could look ahead to the last scale, which is G minor written down there. In the Dorian scale, the G Dorian is the same as the G minor, except we're going to raise the sixth scale degree a half step from an E flat to an E natural. But here comes the G Dorian, has a beautiful sound. It's dark in the low register with a minor third in the bottom, but then the sixth scale degree is raised, so it gives you just kind of this uplifting yet dark sound at all at the same time. So here's the G Dorian. can play the B flat of the arpeggio or whatever with the trigger in fourth position, like, if you'd like. And then the G minor scale, it's got the B flat and the E flat. So that's lesson 35 for the trombone.